Today, the world sees China as an economic miracle. Factories, exports, highways, ports, and a record-breaking trade surplus. Media headlines proclaim, China has won the world's manufacturing race.
China is reporting
a tariff on China.
China's paying us.
China's going to be paying us.
China is eating the...
China has left America behind. But the real question is, what is the true cost of this success? Is every success real progress? And is this model possible for the rest of the world? In today's documentary, we explore the political system behind China's rise, the sacrifices of workers, and the social cost that is often lost amid the noise of numbers. What China has achieved in the last 30 years is unprecedented. A network of cities, mega factories, and global supply chains. Dan Wang and Arthur Krober, in their research The Real China Model, explain that China acquired process knowledge, the skill to do work faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. China didn't just make products, it built a system. But here's the hidden truth. This process knowledge did not come for free. Behind it were cheap labor, strict state control, and social sacrifices. China is an authoritarian state. Here, the government doesn't just make policies. It makes life decisions. Millions of people migrated from rural areas to work in cities. Yet, they did not receive full urban rights. Through the hukou system, workers toil in cities, but are not officially urban residents. No proper education, no health care, no social security. They exist for one purpose only: production. China's export miracle was built on these hands. But these hands often remained empty. Karl Marx described a concept called surplus value. Workers create wealth, but do not receive the full benefit of their labor. In China's model, this surplus value was systematically extracted. Low wages, long working hours, limited labor rights. This money built infrastructure, expanded factories, supported state-owned enterprises. In other words, the state built its power from the labor of workers. This is not development, this is a controlled sacrifice. Dan Wang and Arthur Krober argue, for America to compete with China, it would need to think like China. But here lies a dangerous misconception. America, an open society, democracy, individual rights. China, party state, coercion, centralized control. America cannot achieve China's results without adopting China's system. And if it tries, it would mean suppressing consumption, massive subsidies, wasteful investments, full state control over capital. This is not just an economic decision. This is a civilizational choice. Some say, rules and permits slow down development. But the truth is, these rules make the state accountable. In China, if the state decides, no one questions it. In America and Europe, rules exist to ensure individual rights are protected. The environment is preserved. Power is not unchecked. Sacrificing accountability for speed turns development into mere showmanship. America doesn't need to copy China. Its real strength lies in a culture of innovation, private enterprise, deep capital markets, global alliances. Japan, Korea, Europe, all can form a manufacturing ecosystem with America. This model may seem slow, but it is sustainable. It grows with freedom, not under pressure. China's success is real, but every truth does not tell the full story. When we focus only on numbers, we forget the human cost. This documentary does not ask, is China successful or not? The real question is, At what cost do we want success? Asterisk asterisk. Because progress is not just about GDP. Progress is also about human dignity.